So I don't know about you, but I have joined the healthy bandwagon and I'm trying to get my body healthy again. So one of my go-to healthy breakfast recipes is Shakshuka. So today we are going to be making it in the Instant Pot. So let's go spice things up. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is turn on the saute button. So now we're gonna start adding our ingredients to the pot. So this is 1 medium onion that I already diced. Just pour it in. And 1 red pepper. Now we're gonna add our seasonings, which is 2 teaspoons of paprika and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. We are going to mince 3 garlic cloves. And then some salt and pepper to taste. And then you'll want to stir all these ingredients together, and you want to cook this until the onions become translucent. And once your onions become translucent, you'll want to add 1 can, which is 28 ounces of whole tomatoes that are peeled, and then just add it to the pot. Now you want to stir it again so it deglazes the bottom of the pan so you won't get the annoying burn notice. Now you'll want to smash the tomatoes down. Some people smash them with their hands. I use a potato masher and just kind of smash them. Make sure to turn your saute button off, like that. And now we're just going to put the lid on. Make sure, of course, it's on sealing. Okay, so now we're going to turn on the manual button, and we want to cook it for 5 minutes, and then we're going to come back and do a quick release. All right, time to open it up. All right, I'm just gonna stir it. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some little like wells, little grooves in here. And I'm gonna start adding my eggs. So you wanna just take 4 eggs, and I'm gonna just crack them. And then just put them right in these little grooves. And I'm gonna do that 4 times. And now we're gonna put the lid on. And of course, make sure it's on sealing. And of course, we'll wanna switch it, so we'll wanna turn it off. And now we will wanna turn it back on manual. And we will wanna cook it for 2 minutes. And then we'll do a quick release. All right, so time to release the valve. Time to open it up. All right, so then you want to take your bowl, and you'll just want to grab a nice full spoonful and put it on your plate. Next, you want to take some fresh cilantro and some parsley and just sprinkle it on here. And then this is optional, but I like to put a little bit of sriracha hot chili sauce over the top. And it is super tasty. Some people like to put a little bit of Greek yogurt on the top. That's optional. Oh, by the way, if you like these bowls or these really cool coffee mugs, you can actually write in chalk on the side of these. But if you like these, I will link them below. Our friends at Dallin sent us them, and so I will give you a 30% off discount code if you want to purchase them. Link will be in the description box below. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed making this recipe with me. Go ahead and share it with your friends and family, and give this video a like. It really helps support this channel. Thank you guys so much. Bye, and see you in the next video.